Welcome to the Safety Up podcast. We support developing a safer, sustainable workplace. Today, we'll introduce B11.19.2019, Performance Requirements for Risk Reduction Measures, Safeguarding and Other Means of Reducing Risk, which was reaffirmed in 2024. The primary objective of the standard is to establish requirements for the design, construction, installation, operation, and maintenance of risk reduction measures used to eliminate or control hazards associated with machines. It emphasizes the importance of good design and acknowledges that safety cannot be absolute, recognizing that risk factors cannot be reduced to zero. The Scope section outlines the performance requirements for various risk reduction measures, including inherently safe design, engineering controls, guards and devices, and administrative controls. B11.19 does not provide requirements for selecting risk reduction measures for specific applications, which should be determined by other relevant standards such as B11.0 and risk assessments. The Responsibility section outlines the responsibilities of suppliers, users, integrators, modifiers, rebuilders, and personnel involved in installing, operating, or maintaining risk reduction measures. It emphasizes the importance of following training and safety procedures in avoiding hazards. The Risk Assessment Process section explains the importance of conducting a risk assessment to identify hazards and reduce risks using risk reduction measures. It highlights the need for documented risk assessments. The Risk Reduction Measures section provides general requirements for risk reduction measures, including preventing hazards, unauthorized changes, and environmental influences. It also discusses the importance of training and supervision. The Inherently Safe by Design section outlines the requirements for inherently safe design measures, including prevention through design, safe opening safeguarding method, safe location safeguarding method, minimum gaps to avoid crushing of parts of the human body, and maximum gaps to avoid exposure to hazards. The Engineering Controls Guards section provides general requirements for guards, including design and construction, visibility, location, operation, and maintenance. It also discusses specific types of guards, such as fixed guards, movable guards, interlocked guards, adjustable guards, self-adjusting guards, partial guards, perimeter guards, nip guards, and shields. The Engineering Controls Control Functions section outlines general requirements for control functions, including performance of safety functions, safety interface modules, considerations for safety-related application software, monitoring functions, safe condition monitoring systems, speed monitoring function, stop functions, safety-related reset, safety distance, suspension of safety functions, manual suspension, muting, variable sensing functions, safety-related sensing field switching, safety-related sensing field blanking, and presence sensing device initiation, PSDI. The Perimeter Risk Reduction Measures section discusses engineering controls, presence sensing devices, and awareness means to establish a perimeter and address whole body access. The Whole Body Access section provides general requirements for whole body access, including control of hazardous energy, preventing undetected individuals within the safeguarded space, manual reset, location of safety-related manual control devices, inhibit function, interlock devices capable of internal opening, and initiation warning system. The Span of Control section explains the importance of layout analysis to determine the span of control of safety-related control devices and the level of safety performance required. The Engineering Controls Devices section provides general requirements for devices, including interlock devices, trapped key systems, interlock blocking devices, movable barrier devices, pull back and hold out devices, presence sensing devices, light curtains and single multiple beam devices, area scanning devices, close proximity point of operation, AOPDs, vision-based protective devices, safety mat devices, safety edge bumper devices, probe detection devices, radio frequency devices, two-hand actuating controls, single actuating controls, hold to run control devices, enabling devices, and emergency stop devices. The Administrative Controls section outlines general requirements for administrative controls, including awareness means, information for use, training, inspection, and maintenance. Administrative safeguarding methods, supervision, management of change, control of hazardous energy, tools, and personal protective equipment, PPE. The annexes provide additional guidance and information on various topics, including understanding the ANSI B11 series of standards, hazard list for risk reduction measures, performance of safety functions, comparison of physical barriers, reaching distance considerations for protective structures, nip guards, considerations for transparent guards, safety distance calculations for engineering controls devices, reaching distance considerations for engineering controls devices, measurement and calculation of system performance to achieve a safe condition, achieving a safe condition, safety functions for power drive systems, supplier information for time and distance to achieve a safe condition, awareness means, risk reduction measures in use, cross-reference mapping of B11.19 versus 2019, and a bibliography of informatively referenced international documents. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Safety Up. Today we discussed B11.19, performance requirements for risk reduction measures, safeguarding and other means of reducing risk. B11 series standards can be purchased at B11Standards.org. You can support us by clicking like and subscribe. Take care, everyone, and until next time.